Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Jeep Compass versus the Chevrolet Cruze. We'll dive into their key differences, helping you decide which vehicle best suits your needs. The Compass is known for its adventurous spirit and all-weather capability, while the Cruze excels in urban commuting and economical travel. Understanding these core distinctions is crucial for making an informed choice. Let's explore what each vehicle brings to the table. When it comes to performance, the Jeep Compass generally offers a more powerful engine, often a 2.4-liter option, providing greater capability for varied terrains. In contrast, the Chevrolet Cruze typically features smaller, more economical engines, like a 1.4-liter turbocharged option, designed for optimal fuel efficiency. The Compass frequently includes all-wheel drive, ideal for challenging conditions, while the Cruze focuses on a smooth, front-wheel drive experience for daily commutes. Consider your driving habits to pick the right powertrain. Moving inside, the Jeep Compass interior often prioritizes durability and functionality, with features designed for adventure, like robust materials and flexible cargo configurations. The Chevrolet Cruze, however, typically offers a more refined and comfortable cabin experience, focusing on modern infotainment and passenger comfort. While the Compass might provide more versatile storage for outdoor equipment, the Cruze ensures a pleasant ride with well-appointed seating and intuitive technology. Both offer distinct interior philosophies to match different lifestyles. Regarding safety, both the Jeep Compass and Chevrolet Cruze provide essential features, including multiple airbags and stability control, with advanced driver assistance systems often available. The Compass tends to maintain a strong resale value, reflecting its robust build and brand loyalty. The Cruze, on the other hand, often presents a more accessible entry price point, making it an attractive option for those seeking value. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize rugged capability and resale value or initial affordability and urban comfort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.